Did you know most cruise problems don't start on board? They start before you ever reach the terminal? By the time most passengers drop their bags and see the ship, the biggest advantages are already gone. That's why some cruises feel smooth and effortless, while others are filled with long lines, last-minute fixes, and expensive surprises no one warned you about. After decades of watching how cruises actually unfold, one thing is clear: the calmest trips are decided quietly before embarkation, not after. While most passengers are packing clothes and planning outfits, smart cruisers are locking in flexibility, removing friction, and preventing problems before they ever appear. In this video, I'm breaking down 15 things every smart cruiser does before embarkation. The real-world moves that protect your time, your money, and your comfort before you step on board. And the final one matters more than most people realize, because once you reach the port, there's no fixing it. So let's get started. Number 1. Screenshot everything you'll need at the port. One of the biggest assumptions passengers make is believing their phone will work perfectly at the cruise terminal. Strong signal, fast data, easy access to everything they need. In reality, embarkation terminals are overloaded environments. Thousands of people are connecting at the same time, which leads to slow networks, frozen apps, and login failures right when stress levels are already high. Smart cruisers never depend on live internet at the port. Before leaving home, they take a few minutes to screenshot everything important and save it directly to their phone. Boarding passes, luggage tags, hotel confirmations, excursion tickets, travel insurance details, and emergency contacts all get stored offline. This isn't about expecting problems. It's about removing the possibility of them. While others are stepping aside trying to reload apps or reconnect to Wi-Fi, smart cruisers move through check-in calmly and efficiently. That quiet preparation sets the tone for the entire day and keeps everything moving smoothly. Number 2. Download and log into the cruise app in advance. Most passengers don't think about the cruise app until they're already standing in line at the terminal. That's when problems appear. Slow port Wi-Fi, login errors, password resets, screens that won't load while a line builds behind them. Smart cruisers handle all of this days before sailing, when there's no pressure and no distractions. They download the app at home, log in calmly, sync their reservation, and explore the layout. They already know where to find deck maps, dining schedules, onboard accounts, and daily notifications. There's also a lesser-known advantage. Many cruise lines quietly release early access through the app, including muster instructions, schedule previews, and last-minute reservation openings. If you're already logged in and familiar with the app, you see those opportunities first. While others are still trying to connect, smart cruisers are already prepared. Number 3. Review the daily planner before you ever leave home. Most passengers don't look at the daily planner until they're already on board, standing in a hallway, trying to figure out what's happening next. By then, the best signups are already filling, and some opportunities are already gone. Smart cruisers review the daily planner as soon as it becomes available, usually days before embarkation. They open the cruise app or online portal and focus specifically on embarkation afternoon. Not everything, just the key moments that matter early. Kids club orientations, spa raffles, reservation desks, muster drill timing, limited capacity events that don't repeat. This turns embarkation day into a sequence instead of guesswork. They already know where they're going and why. While other passengers wander from deck to deck trying to see what's going on, smart cruisers move calmly from one priority to the next. Preparation doesn't make the cruise rigid. It makes it smooth, controlled, and far less stressful. Number 4. Photograph luggage before it leaves the house. This is a habit many experienced cruisers follow, even though most passengers have never thought to do it. Before the suitcase ever leaves home, smart cruisers take a few quick photos. They photograph the outside of the bag from multiple angles, capture the luggage tag once it's attached, and take one clear photo of the inside showing how the bag was packed. Why does this matter? Because if luggage is delayed, damaged, or misrouted, those photos become immediate proof. Proof of condition, proof of ownership, and proof of what was inside. Without documentation, claims take longer, details get questioned, and the process becomes frustrating. With photos, everything moves faster. Guest services can help more efficiently, and claims are easier to resolve. It takes less than a minute to do, but it gives smart cruisers leverage instead of guesswork if something goes wrong. It's quiet insurance most passengers don't realize they need it. Number 5. Recheck cabin location against the deck plans. Even after booking, smart cruisers take one final look at their cabin assignment about 48 to 72 hours before embarkation. They pull up the ship's deck plans and study the location carefully. What's directly above the cabin? What's below it? What's nearby? This matters more than most people realize. A pool deck above can mean early morning chair scraping. A theater below can bring sound late into the night. A connecting door may introduce noise you didn't expect. Elevator banks nearby can mean constant foot traffic. Booking screens don't always make these details obvious. Checking now gives you options. Before embarkation, cabin changes are far easier to arrange. Once you board, flexibility disappears quickly. Smart cruisers identify potential issues while there's still time to fix them, instead of hoping for a solution later. Number 6. Pack a strategic carry-on for day 1. One reality that surprises many first-time cruisers is how long it can take for checked luggage to arrive at the cabin. Sometimes it's mid-afternoon. Sometimes it's early evening. Until then, everything you packed is out of reach. Smart cruisers plan for this in advance. Their carry-on bag is packed intentionally, not casually. Inside are medications, important documents, chargers, sunglasses, toiletries, swimwear, and a clean change of clothes. That preparation means they're never stuck waiting. They can have lunch, explore the ship, attend activities, or relax by the pool without frustration. Instead of watching hallways for luggage deliveries, they're already enjoying their vacation. A simple packing decision turns lost time into comfortable, stress-free time, which makes a noticeable difference on day 1. Number 7. Pre-label bags for faster, safer delivery. Most passengers assume once their luggage is handed over, it will magically arrive at the right cabin without issue. Usually it does. But when it doesn't, the problem is almost always identification. Smart cruisers take a few extra minutes before leaving home to label their bags properly. Not just with the paper tag provided by the cruise line, but with clear, redundant identification inside the bag itself. Cabin number, full name, and sailing details placed on a card inside the suitcase where it can't be torn off. Many also add a discreet tracker, like an AirTag, so they can see whether their luggage is still at the terminal, already on board, or delayed. And if they're traveling with medical equipment or mobility devices, they add fragile tags or notes to alert handlers. These small steps make a big difference. If luggage is delayed or misplaced, recovery is faster. Stress stays low. And instead of guessing, smart cruisers already know where their bags are and why they'll arrive safely. Number 8. Request cabin comfort items before inventory runs out. Most passengers wait until embarkation day to ask for comfort items in their cabin. By that point, availability is already limited, and the answer is often, "We'll see what we can do." Smart cruisers request what they need early. Days before sailing, they politely ask for items like mattress toppers, bed configuration changes, CPAP extension cords, shower chairs, or extra hangers. These requests are logged while inventory is still available. Why does timing matter? Because these items are limited and assigned on a first-come basis. Early requests get fulfilled. Late requests depend on luck. When smart cruisers step into their cabin, it already feels comfortable and familiar. No scrambling, no waiting, no settling for what's left. That early preparation sets a calm, confident tone that carries through the entire cruise. Number 9. Lock phone settings before leaving home. This is one of the most expensive cruise mistakes people make, and it often happens without warning. Many passengers wait until the ship leaves port to think about their phone settings. By then, signals are bouncing between land towers and satellite networks, and phones connect automatically. Roaming charges begin quietly in the background. Messages sync. Apps update. Bills grow without anyone realizing it. Smart cruisers handle this before they leave home. They know exactly how to enable airplane mode, turn off background data, download anything they might need offline, and confirm travel blocks with their carrier if necessary. This isn't complicated, but it's critical. One moment of preparation prevents massive charges later. Smart cruisers don't rely on remembering what to do in the moment. They rely on setting everything correctly in advance. Number 10. Know exactly what gets charged on day 1. One of the most common sources of unnecessary stress on cruises happens before the ship even leaves port. Passengers check their onboard account or credit card and see charges they weren't expecting. Drink packages, internet plans, gratuities, authorization holds. Smart cruisers know this is coming because they've reviewed it in advance. They understand when packages activate, how onboard holds work, and what's normal versus what's not. That knowledge makes a huge difference. Instead of panicking or rushing to guest services, they recognize standard charges instantly. And if something truly looks wrong, they catch it early when it's easiest to fix. Financial clarity removes doubt. It keeps embarkation day calm and focused instead of reactive. Smart cruisers don't let surprise charges derail the first hours of their vacation. Number 11. Bring a minimal paper backup. In a digital world, most passengers rely entirely on their phone. Boarding passes, reservations, emergency information, everything lives on a screen. And most of the time, that works. Until it doesn't. Phones die, screens crack, apps freeze, systems glitch at the worst possible moment. Often right at the terminal entrance or when a crew member asks to quickly verify a document while a line forms behind you. Smart cruisers know this, which is why they always bring a minimal paper backup. Not a thick folder, just the essentials. A one-page itinerary, emergency contacts, travel insurance details, port agent phone numbers, hotel or transfer confirmations if needed. If something unexpected happens, paper doesn't need Wi-Fi, a password, or a battery. It simply works. And when you can immediately hand a document to a crew member instead of fumbling with a frozen screen, problems get solved faster. Stress stays lower. Most of the time, the paper never leaves the bag. But when it's needed, it feels like a lifesaver. Number 12. Plan port arrival strategy, not just the time. Many passengers believe arriving as early as possible guarantees faster boarding. In reality, early arrival can sometimes mean longer lines, heavier crowds, and more waiting with luggage. Smart cruisers think differently. They research how their specific port operates. When priority boarding windows open, where traffic bottlenecks usually form, which arrival slots move smoothly instead of clogging up. This information isn't always obvious, but it's often shared quietly through reviews and past passenger experiences. A little research goes a long way. By timing their arrival strategically, smart cruisers spend less time standing and more time boarding. It's not about being first. It's about arriving when the system is flowing, not overloaded. Number 13. Add a backup payment method. Most passengers assume the credit card they use to book the cruise will work flawlessly for everything on board. Usually it does. Sometimes it doesn't. Banks flag transactions. Cards get temporarily blocked. Authorization holds fail without warning. When that happens on board, purchases stop immediately, and fixing it takes time. Smart cruisers prevent this with one simple step. Before embarkation, they add a backup payment method to their onboard account and notify their bank of travel dates if needed. This creates a safety net. If one card has an issue, everything continues smoothly without interruption. No declined purchases, no awkward moments, no unexpected trips to guest services. You may never need the backup, but smart cruisers don't plan for perfect conditions. They plan for smooth outcomes. Number 14. Prepare a polite upgrade conversation ahead of time. Smart cruisers don't improvise when it comes to upgrades. They think about it before embarkation, calmly and realistically. They know what cabin they booked. They know what they'd be happy upgrading to. And they understand that upgrades depend on availability, timing, and how the conversation is handled. That preparation shows. When they ask, they're polite, relaxed, and clear. No pressure, no entitlement. Just a simple, friendly question asked at the right time. Even if the answer is no, nothing is lost. But when availability exists, being prepared and respectful often works in your favor. Staff respond better to calm confidence than last-minute frustration. Smart cruisers understand that how you ask matters almost as much as when you ask. Number 15. Ask one final question that prevents regret. This is the final step smart cruisers never skip. Before embarkation, they ask themselves one simple question. If this goes wrong, can it still be fixed once I reach the port? If the answer is no, they fix it now. Travel insurance decisions, cabin category doubts, dining time issues, transportation logistics, documentation problems. Once you reach the port, certain options disappear. Some changes are no longer possible. Some mistakes become permanent for the entire cruise. Smart cruisers understand this. They do one final review and resolve anything that can't be fixed later. That single mindset prevents more stress than almost any other tip, because the calmest cruises don't rely on fixing problems on board. They rely on preventing them before the journey even begins. Now you know what smart cruisers do before embarkation. Next, I'll show you what they do the moment they step on board. When timing becomes everything and small decisions unlock advantages most passengers never see. That video is already waiting for you, and it pairs perfectly with everything you've just learned. Until next time, take care and happy cruising.